What is one good thing about the political consulting industry and one bad thing?
So, good thing, rather, I would say the best thing about political consulting when you get a certain level of kick when you recommend something to the leadership and they end up doing it, and you witness that along with all the people, and you see news articles coming on it. So, that level of satisfaction. I don't think any other work domain could provide, where you're recommending something, it is impacting a lot of people. When it comes to one negative thing or one thing which impacts people personally also, the work life balance in the industry, because that's what I feel that since it is in a nascent stage, people might feel that giving so much of their time for a certain thing might not be feasible for them. So that is one negative which for someone joining could become a problem, but for someone who has spent a longer duration in this domain, it might not become a negative thing then.
गुड थिंग इज इट गिव्स यू क्विक पावर. मतलब पावर का मतलब है कि आपको मिसयूज करना तो वो भी कर सकते हो, पर इम्पैक्ट करना तो वो भी कर सकते हो. तो इट गिव्स इट्स अ शॉर्टकट टू पावर. मतलब मैं ऐसे बताऊँ तो लोगों को यदि एमएलए से मिलना है, एमपी से मिलना है, वो 4-4 दिन 5-5 दिन घर के बाहर बैठ सकते हो. एमपी एमएलए नहीं मिलता है. यहाँ पे एमपी एमएलए आपको रात में 1 बजे फोन करके बुलाता है. सो दैट्स द एक्सेस, मतलब पावर एक्सेस टू द पावर कोरिडोर दैट यू गेट्स, उसका बहुत कर रहा है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द गुड एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. वर्स्ट पार्ट ये है कि 2013 से मैं इस डोमेन में और बाल झड़ गए. तो आई थिंक बैड फूड, बैड वाटर, not it's not for a long term. So it takes a toll on your health, on your body. So I mean that's the worst part.
Okay, so two things that I love. So number one is you're working more than necessary hours. Okay, normal job sector mein, say for example, one is working say 8 hours a day. You are every day working 16 hours. That is the truth. Okay, there is no hiding that fact. So in 8 years, in 10 years, what other sectors people, they have worked 10 years, I have worked 20 years. If they have worked 8 years, I have worked 16 years, because of the amount of time that I put in. So I feel that that gives me a lot of confidence boost in other aspects of my life as well. So that is one thing that I really love about this industry. Second thing that I really love about this industry is meeting new perspectives every day. It may be in terms of people, maybe in terms of development, infrastructure, cultures, food, whatever it may be. Every day you're interacting with new perspectives, and then it develops you holistically, your personality, your things that are important to you in life, maturity. It helps with all of that. So those are the two things I think less talked about. वैसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but these two things are less talked about that I love about the industry. What I find difficult is that constant traveling. So हमारे में एक phrase है कि कुआं खोदो पानी पियो. So you go into a new area, you dig your well, you do everything, then you have to pack up, then you have to move again. So that part to sustain becomes very, very difficult as you grow older. So if there is any solution anyone has with regards to coming up with an easier model of conducting our services on ground, I think that would be a good way to go about it.
Thank you, Vasudha. That builds up lot of context for people who want to come in this industry. Thank you very much.